the Mirador Condor, 1.5 hours. We'll see how long it takes. It's supposed to be 45 minutes up, 45 minutes down, with some of the best views in the park. We are walking through a Lenga graveyard. This used to be a nice forested slope. All got burnt down during the fires that were here. So you have some unobstructed views of the mountains, but the side of the hill here is kind of eerie. Whew, this hike is steep. It's gonna get your butt burning. We're already halfway done. Whew. So even though it's super steep, we just put our arms out like this, and the wind was literally like pushing us up this like 30-degree angled hill, and so the wind actually assisted us in our uphill power. Andy, demonstrate wind push. It was so windy up there. We literally, you couldn't even take a picture because your sunglasses are getting whipped off your head, your camera was going to be blown around. If you're holding your shit, your hands are shaking. That was crazy. It was probably the most incredible view I've ever seen, but it was very hard to enjoy it because it was so crazy. That was an awesome hike. I'd probably say if it wasn't so windy, it would be like 10 out of 10. But with the wind, 9 out of 10. Amazing scenery, not that difficult.
Love the wind.
The wind actually was fun to play in, I will say that. But it's 6:44, so it took us just a tad bit over an hour to do that hike. And we stopped for lots of photos and adjusting gear and stuff. So if you just go up and down, definitely about an hour.